Our inverted metal bracket shelves come with these contents and are suitable for solid walls and timber studs. You'll need these tools, including an 8mm masonry drill bit. First, decide where you want to position your shelf. The bracket placement is up to you, but we usually recommend setting these 10cm in from each end of the shelf. Once you've decided the placement of the first bracket, make sure it's level and pencil a mark in both holes. Then drill at least 7cm into the wall with an 8mm masonry drill bit and hammer in the wall plugs flush with the wall. Next, screw in the long screws provided. If you're following our suggested bracket placement, the measurement to your second bracket will be 25cm less than the shelf length. Use a level to make sure the two are aligned and mark both holes. Just like before, drill at least 7cm into the wall, hammer in the wall plugs and insert the screws. Place the shelf centrally onto the brackets. We recommend placing the front of the shelf first. Use our logo on the back of the shelf to ensure your shelf is installed the correct way up. Finally, use the 3mm pilot drill bit to drill 1cm into the underside of the shelf and screw in the final screws whilst applying pressure to the top of the shelf. Now simply style and you're done. Feel free to share your photos with us and we hope you love your new furniture.